Hi, I'm Andres. I'm a high school senior at the AgriTech program. I'm excited to teach you how to build your own Seals Ecoscape Splash project to help save the biomes. If you like, you can remix the project and add the code along with me. In the project, you'll find the seal, envelope, and penguin sprites. Let's start coding with the seal.
When I hit two events, when green flag clicked, then motion, go to X. This is gonna be our position right now. And go to loops. For the switch, backdrop 2, and we're gonna put this in woods.
All right. After we switch back drop to woods, that's gonna make when we start the game, that's gonna make it go back to the woods to the beginning. I'm gonna go to the looks, code, hit the save, and then we're gonna type I'm going to save the files will help me. I'm gonna make this for about 6 or 9 seconds. I'm gonna do 6. And this what the seal is gonna say to the envelope. And then I'm gonna go to motion, go to the glide, and put this to the envelope. This is gonna make the seal go towards where the envelope is. Then head back to looks, go to the same, and back there's an envelope for about 4 seconds. All right, after the glide 1 seconds to envelope, which is gonna make the seal moves towards the envelope, you wanna say there's an envelope, which is that's what the seal is gonna say when he sees the envelope. Go to the broadcast, the events, and right here you wanna drop this down, put a new message. You wanna type envelope. And